The CO, as I told you, it is a course outcome that you will achieve at the end of the course. And PO is nothing but the program outcome. And this program outcome you will achieve at the end of 4-year course. Are you getting? Because one course cannot teach you or cannot give you all the attributes or all the skills required as an engineering graduate. Every course will contribute to some extent, and all courses put together, you will achieve whatever is expected from an engineering graduate at the end of the course. And what is expected from engineering graduate at the end of the course is nothing but the program outcome. We at the Department of Mechanical Engineering has already defined the program outcome. Okay, the skills, the attributes required by an engineering graduates, and they are classified as 1 to 12, and these 13 and 14 we have added from program specific outcome. So here you will find that POs, these COs, whatever we discussed in the previous slide, now is mapped to this program, this PO2. And what PO2 indicates is that you have to identify the problem, you have to work on the problem, and then you have to design you have to try to find out the solution for that. Okay, using some fundamental concepts in engineering. So here PO3, again one step ahead. Here you will apply all those concepts, and here once you apply all those, once you do the problem analysis in PO2, what you can do is you can do a next step ahead, that is design and analysis of this product. So you'll be able to design the product. That is why I mentioned here the PO level is 2. Here in the bottom you can see 1 is low level, 2 is moderate level, and 3 is high level. And all our activities will involve a team. And as it is involve a team, we have given some you should be able to learn how to work in a team. Okay, so that team, working in a team, okay, so that is why we assigned some moderate level. Here you can see for the first 3 COs, and at the end of this you are going to make a presentation as well as you are going to prepare a report. So PO9 tells that the engineer should be able to communicate effectively either through oral or through written. So this course is going to help you to improve or to give some contribution to this communication part also, and that is why we have given it here. Is it clear? And something you can say here, I have given PO6, and PO6 indicates that you are working along with the society for the development of the society, because the product that you are going to develop, okay, that will be based on the needs of the society. So to some extent, it is also related to this PO number 6. You see, you should understand the chart. Okay, what are the COs and how it is going to help you in achieving the skills which is required as an engineering graduates. Okay, let us go ahead. Now, you will find, as I told you, this course will have 4 units. In the first unit, what we'll study is how to identify the needs for a new product. Okay, so for that you have to talk to the customer, and then based on their problems, every problem is an opportunity. Please note. So whenever you meet anyone, okay, don't hesitate to ask what is the problem, because that problem may give you some hint and you can develop the product. Is it clear? And then once you identify that, these are the further steps: generation, selection, and testing. And then next step is we apply all these different techniques as we discussed. Okay, it may be, you can say, as we discussed, that what your house of quality is one of the technique we are going to use, which will relate the customer needs with the manufacturing facility and will compare with the competitors' product. Okay. So, and also we are going to think about designing from assembly as well as maintenance point of view. And very important point, your product should be environment friendly. Okay, one should be able to recycle it, reuse it. Okay, so that care also we have to take while designing the product. So that we'll study in unit number 3. And unit number 4, as I told you, we are going to study about the aesthetics and ergonomic consideration. Ergonomic considerations, you might have seen, you go anywhere. I had given one example, mobile, anyone can easily hold. Another, you sit in any chair. Okay, you'll find chairs comfortable. Okay, the width of the chair, the sitting position of the chair, the rest that is given to the chair. So all these are nothing but the ergonomic considerations. Got it? Then aesthetic consideration is like, again I'll repeat, one example that given was a mobile. Surface finish given to the mobile, the colors are given to the aspect. You see the bottles, water bottle that you're going to purchase. So all those aesthetic and ergonomic considerations we are going to apply to the product. Got it? Please note, at the end of this course, I expect that while working in a team, you should be able to develop one of the product. So you'll find here I mentioned few books. Okay, actually more books are given in the reference book, but if you purchase or if you use these 3, it is more than sufficient. Now, first book I mentioned, Industrial Engineering and Production Management. It covers some part of this product design and development, but I have given the number 1 because this will be useful for the students, those who have opted for manufacturing vertical in the next semester. In the next semester, there is one subject, Production and Operations Management. So that book, instead of purchasing in the next semester, if you purchase it now, it will be useful to some extent for this course also. And another book I have mentioned here, Product Design and Development by Ulrich. I have already uploaded the soft copy of this book on the Moodle, so that you can refer the soft copy of this book on the Moodle. Okay, it is also a good book and it covers entire text. Whatever we have mentioned in the course syllabus, this book covers the entire portion of that. And the Product Design by Otto is another, Otto is OTTO, Otto. Okay, that is also another good book, okay, which discusses many case studies also, okay, with respect to product design and development.